In this lecture, we will be adding new pages to our website which are required. First one is privacy policy page. So I'll just give you an example of privacy policy page and how you can add new pages to your website. So to add a new page to your website, you just have to go to pages, click on all pages, and here you will have all your website pages. Right now we don't have any pages, so I'll click on add new. And after clicking on add new, a new page will be created on here, and we have to work on that page. So here we are on the Gutenberg editor. I'll just click on next, 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 and get started. And we are just going to give the title to our page, privacy policy. And then here you have if you want to add the featured image, etc, etc. And now here we'll have to add the text. From here you can add more of the things like paragraph quotes, as we did in the widget section. Here we can add a lot things. We have a lot of the widgets, so we can add new widgets as well, like site logo, navigation, site title, table of contents, etc, etc. But now we have to add the privacy policy content here. So you just have to go to Google and select search for free privacy policy generator page generator, and go to this privacy policy generator.info. Here you have to add your company name. Company name is Khadeen Akbar. Website name affiliate.khadeenakbar.com. So sorry, this is the URL. So I'll paste this URL here, and your website name is Khadeen Store. And then here are some questions. Do you? Yes, I use cookies on website. I use AdSense. Yes, I use this one as well. Next, then here you have to select your country. My country is Pakistan. Then state is Punjab, and then here you have to add your email address. So I'll add my email address here, and then I'll just click on generate my privacy policy. So here you go. The privacy policy has been generated. So you can just copy this privacy policy page text, and you can just paste it here, and that's all. And after doing that, you just have to click on publish, and here you go, your privacy policy page has been published. And uh, for getting approved for AdSense or these kind of things, you need a privacy policy page as well. So here you go, you have this privacy policy page, and you have this text as well, and I think this seems awesome. And that's how you can just customize your you can add new pages to your website. And if you want, you can add that privacy policy page here, or you can add this privacy policy page here, link here. And you know how to add it. You just have to go to the widgets and then footer widget 3, and you can add that menu here. So that was all about adding new pages to your website. You can also add new pages like TOCs. You can search for TOCs generator. You can add a TOCs page. You can add a contact page, or you can add any other pages if you want to your website. So that was all about this lecture. See you in next lecture. So after we have customized our website, I have told you about widgets. I have told you about plugins. I have told you about I think everything within the free version. Now it's time to set up the Google Search Analytics. Google search, add your website to the Google search, add Google Analytics to your website, and tell you that how you can connect Google AdSense to your website if you want in future. But there are some certain requirements for Google AdSense to be added. So before what was used to happen was that you will need to set up the API and all that stuff. But in this lecture, I will tell you with single plugin you can manage all your Google products, and you can integrate those products with your WordPress website. To do that, you just have to go to plugins and click on add new, and you have to install a plugin called Sitekit by Google. A lot of people don't know about it, but it's the plugin by Google itself. So just search for Sitekit and you will get that plugin, and you have to install that plugin. I am using this plugin on all of my websites because it's a lot easy to manage. You can add all the Google services to your website using this simple plugin. So just install this plugin to your website, and here you can see it's by Google itself. Okay, so after installing this plugin, you have to activate this plugin. So here you go, the plugin has been installed. Now click on activate to activate this plugin, And after this plugin is activated, you will see a sitekit button on the upper left corner. And now the plugin is loading, the setup of the plugin is loading, and here you go, set a sitekit. So just click on that sitekit button and you will just go to dashboard, and there you will be able to set up all the things there. So just go to that sitekit. So here we are on the site kit, and just click on just select this option and just click on sign in with Google. And now the Google setup has started, and now we'll be signing up with our demo account, and we'll be setting up all the things. So here you have to select all the things, give access to Google, access of Google to your website, and access of your Google account to your website. Now just click on verify to verify the site ownership. And Google will add a verification token to your website's HTML code. And it would take a few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, to set up this all this stuff. So just select, click on allow, and just do what Google says, and that's all. You just have to follow this process. This is much like an onboarding process, and you have to just give permissions to Google, and that's all. You don't have to do anything technical, and your website would be connected to your Google Analytics, your Google Search Console, and when you are eligible to your AdSense as well. So it's loading now. And here you go, analytics got loaded. Add the account name, property, and keep it as it is, and just click on create account. And your analytics account would be created from Google your website as well. Then just select the account you want to go with, then select these two and just click on continue. And after that, here you go, and the connection process has been started, and would be finished within a few seconds now. Here you have to complete this analytics forms. Now these are mandatory. Just accept it and click on I accept. Then go to my dashboard, and your analytics account is successfully created now. And it's also set up with your website. So your analytics account is created and connected with your website. Your Google Search Console account is also created and connected with your website. Now it's time to connect Google AdSense, but you cannot connect it right now. Why? Because you cannot right now you are not eligible for that. You need around 20 to 30 blog posts to be get approved by Google. So after you will do that, you can connect to Google AdSense. But I don't never recommend a Google AdSense over affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing you can make 100 times more than Google AdSense. So then just go to settings, and there you can see more advanced options, and you can do more settings. You can connect more Google products if you want. So here you can see, here you have connect more services. You can connect Google Optimize, Google Tag Manager, and here you have the admin settings where you can reset the site kit, and you have this plugin settings. So that's how you can just select connect Google Analytics to your website. If you are not an Analytics Pro, Google Search Console Pro, everything will be here. Your analytics would be here. Your search data would be here. Here is your website speed on desktop, on mobile, in and like all the data is in this dashboard on your website. Now you don't need to go to anywhere else, and everything is here in your website. It's gathering data. Right now our website is not live. We don't have enough traffic. We don't have enough data that we can see that all those channels, locations, devices. But after a week or 2 weeks, when you will be getting traffic, then what would happen is that this data would be populated, and you will start seeing the data of the visitors and all that stuff. So that was all about this lecture. Hope you liked the lecture. See you in next lecture. So we have almost covered almost all the free things available with the superb themes, but a few things are missing that I thought I should cover in this lecture. First of all, these plugins that I told you about, which are here. I told you about how you can download this plugin after going to the customize and getting started, and from there you can just download these plugins. Or what you can do is, in appearance, you can just go to theme settings and you can download those plugins. So here you can see the superb tables. So here you can create amazing tables, customized tables with the headers, and then you can add the values here, and you can just save the table. And here you can just add the name of the table and the color scheme. What should it be? Standard, then float mode, and all the things. And then you can add the values here, and you can just create the table. You can remove or add new rows. And here, let's say I'll add the values, and then you can save the table. You can add the rows from here, and you can just copy the shortcode and paste the shortcode anywhere if you want to feature this table. So this was about feature table, super tables, then follow buttons, share buttons, etc., etc. You have two more plugins. You can explore these plugins as well. But what about the premium version? I'll talk about the premium version, what features are available with the premium version, and what you would get with the premium version. Let's just click on view premium version. And here you go. This is the premium version of Blogist, and here is the full feature list that you will be getting with the premium version. With the free version, you are just getting a bite out of it, just customizing logo and title only. Okay, and I think for beginners that's great, and you are not spending time in other things. But there are a lot useful things that you can get with the pro version, like fully SEO optimized. Your website would be fully SEO optimized if you will get the premium version. Then you can customize the fonts, the colors. You can import the demo content as well, so you don't have to do all these settings. All the complete Blogist website with this demo, let me show. The similar Blogist website like this would be imported within one click. And then you have a lot other options, like you can replace the copyright text, then custom text on header image. Then here are a lot options. You like get the premium customer support, multiple website support, remove the tag from the page title, and remove author from the page title. And you have a lot other features that you can see. And here you can see there are a lot of premium features here as well. These are mentioned, so you can edit all these things with the premium version from the customizer. So this is the power of the premium version. If you want to get the premium version, just go to the theme settings, click on view premium version, and you can get access to the premium version. And if we'll talk about their pricing plan, their pricing plan is just starts from the $29. It's one time payment. You don't have to pay annually, monthly, or any other time. This is just one time payment. $29 for one domain, $69 for unlimited domains, and you have access to the 95 child themes of Blogist. And with the Blogist premium, you have access to five child themes, and 40 and with the business subscription, you have access to 40 more themes, premium themes. So if you are going to start an affiliate marketing business, or you are going to provide affiliate marketing freelancing services, then this plan or this plan can be helpful to you. But I would recommend you to start with the free version. If you like the free version, then you can go with the pro version. I don't like force you to get the pro version, because I am not promoting any affiliate link of superb themes. So if you like, then you can go with the premium version. But yes, the premium version has a lot benefits over the free version. So that was all about this lecture. See you next lecture.